When we talk about international money transfer apps, Western Union stands out as one of the most recognized names worldwide. The Western Union app has evolved into more than just a transfer platform. It's now a complete financial ecosystem that connects millions of users across over 200 countries. One of the app's core strengths is its intuitive design. Users can send money directly to a bank account, a mobile wallet, or for cash pickup at thousands of agent locations. The app supports multiple currencies and offers real-time exchange rate checks, giving transparency before confirming a transfer. Beyond these well-known features, let's uncover 5 unique aspects of the Western Union app. 1. Geo-adaptive security layer. Unlike other apps, Western Union adapts its authentication methods depending on the user's region. For example, biometric logins like fingerprint or facial recognition become mandatory in high-risk geographies, enhancing trust and safety. 2. Smart transfer. Prediction. The app monitors your past transfer patterns and suggests the most common recipients and amounts, reducing the time it takes to complete repeat transactions. 3. Digital bill pay abroad. Few know that Western Union allows users in select countries to pay utility bills directly from the app, helping families support loved ones back home beyond just cash transfers. 4. Localized offers. Depending on your location, the app displays discounts on transfer fees or promotional exchange rates that vary by country, making it more affordable for frequent users. 5. Offline initiated transfer support. The app generates a QR code for a transfer that can be scanned at an agent location later. This helps users in areas with poor connectivity to still begin transactions digitally. Western Union also integrates with trusted partners like www.moneygram.com, www.xoom.com, and www.remitly.com for users exploring alternatives. However, Western Union's global agent network continues to be its strongest competitive advantage. While fees may sometimes feel higher compared to newer fintech platforms, the app's reliability, customer support, and global acceptance still make it a leading choice for international remittances.